So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to try and find some sound effects for your film, and specifically sound effects here. So I've opened up my project. I want to see the preview window, so I'm going to click on that so that we've got the preview window up. And I'm just going to step you through some of the places you might find some sounds. So our MIDI keyboard here is set up so that we've just got a typical piano sound. We can use this also to record sound effects. So if I go down here to the legacy, click on GarageBand, we've got older set up here where we can access some sound effects sets. So if I click on to applause and laughter, you should assume that we'll hear applause and laughter. I know, it's a good joke. Thank you. So you can use that. We've also got some comedy sounds, so some more interesting sounds. Okay, some nature sounds which could be useful. Okay, and we've got some radio sounds, things that you might hear from radio stations. Okay, now I'm going to set up, show you how you might go about recording just an atmospheric track. So I'm going to maybe create a sort of feeling of loneliness and sort of, wanting from this bit here by recording in that little howl. So I rewind back, record, hit R. And we're just trying to create an atmospheric background here. Okay, I don't want that second sound, so I'm going to just click and delete that there. So that's how you might add a MIDI sound, and you can sort of play with those ideas. I'll be back to show you how you might add some audio to it.